Happy Valentine's Day. We are just getting ready for today. I don't have anything to do. I just have some prep work to do. Some prep for an interview. I got another interview, so I'm super excited. And I nail it. So I'm going to just start off with some skincare. I'm using this eye cream. From when I use these, they're very sticky. So I kind of have like these little tiny bumps from them. I guess it was like the little sticky things that caused a little bit of blemishes. So I'm just going to get a little bit of eye cream and put it on my eyes here. And any leftovers I put right here in the corners of my mouth. Doesn't say you can't use it for that. And then I'm going to use this Dove beauty cream. I like the way it smells. It smells very clean. And this is like my prep before makeup. I like to make sure like I touch all of my face with the moisturizer. The first time I ever learned about skincare was from my grandma, my granny. She always had like products, and this one time like she bought me Murad, like a skin thingy, and I think she bought it for me because I remember taking like this papaya toner and like using it all the time, and I told her about it, and I think she's like, oh well, if you like that I'll get you something. So she got me a Murad face kit, and ever since then I've just been like obsessed with taking care of my skin. Thank you, Granny. Her name was Bertha. Bertha Gibosh. And so I'm gonna put on some Supergoop Unseen sunscreen. I kind of want to try the one that has the glow sunscreen, but maybe when I finish this one I'll try it. I always apply sunscreen, or at least I try my best to, because it's super important. I noticed I have little freckles underneath my eyes. I've had them since I was really young, and I've just watched them get darker. I have like a dark spot up here somewhere, right there. And then of course I have sunspots all over my skin, but I really can't see some of them, but I know they're there. I want to prevent as much as I possibly can. So now my face is all primed up. I'm going to put on some sunscreen lip balm. There we go. And I'm ready for makeup. So I'm going to just start with some brows. I want to do really quick makeup today. So I'm just going to put the product in the brows and let it sit. And then I'll manipulate it later because it takes a while for this one to dry, but it dries really good. The St. Lux Brow Gel. I got it in one of those box thingies. So I'm going to do a really quick makeup. I'm going to use this one here from L'Oreal. It's the Infallible one. It matches me pretty well, so I just use it. It's the shade 1015 Ivory Buff. And I'm just gonna use this brush. This brush was from Amazon. I think it was like a brush pack of $10 or something. It's a really good brush. So I'm just gonna get it on there. Put some on my cheeks, around my mouth, because I am getting mask knee again from wearing all the masks. I'm not gonna stop wearing my mask either. I don't care if the mandates are lifted here where I am, because it's extremely serious to me, COVID. and protecting my community, my families, and I'm gonna end it at that. I don't mind having maskne if I can do some of my part. I am double vaxxed. I got my flu shot and my booster. And I'm thriving, so. Ouch. Okay, so I got a light, oh shoot, my brow gel. So I got a light foundation coverage. I didn't want lots. I just want to cover just the skin tone unevenness. I don't care if the blemishes are showing. I have blemishes. It's okay. Oh, and there. Now I'm just gonna lift them up, and they'll stay up now. There, nice and clean. Here's some lip liner. Use some Essence Soft and Precise Lip Pencil in Baboa. There we go. It's just my lip color. I'm gonna go in with a nude. These are like 2 nudes. I bought these at Dollar Tree, I think. And this one here is so cute. It's like a, if you can see that color, it's like a beigey nude, like a pinky beige. Put this one all over. And you can see how it doesn't really like match. It kind of mutes me out a little bit. This one here is the Cosmic Colors. So super cheap lipstick, but still really good. It smells good. They look good. See, this one here is kind of like a darker. I'm just gonna mix them together and it'll make my perfect nude lip color. See? It doesn't wash me out too much. I'm gonna put a bit of gloss on top of that. And I'm gonna use this Baji. I'm just gonna top it off. For eyeshadow, I think I'm just gonna use Made Super Quick. Violet Voss. I'm just gonna get a blending brush with this color, Wishful, up here. Go into my crease. Just for a little bit of color. This is like super natural, out the door. You got no time for anything. And it works. Now for my mascara, I'm using Double Trouble from Essence. I don't really like this, not gonna lie. It's not as good as my waterproof mascaras, which I can't even find right now. I don't even know where it is. But it's the Essence Lash Princess waterproof one that I normally use. I just can't find it. So this is what I'm using. If you use this one and your mask is on and you like have like heat going up, vapor from your mouth, whatever, this will loosen this and it'll come off. It's not the best waterproof formula, but it does do a really good job of coating the lashes initially. So here we go. Get some bronzer and some blush. I'm just going to use Angle for this here. And hit the high points on my face. I didn't even do concealer. I'm gonna get Crown and I'm just gonna contour. Oh my goodness. I don't know if you heard that, but my jaw just cracked. Long story, and I'm not ready to share. That really hurt. Anyways, continue. Essence blush, the Mosaic one, Berry Connection, all over my cheeks. And I'm also going to do highlight all over my cheeks. I'm going to do a Hard Candy, this one, all over. And on my nose. There we go. I think I'm pretty much done. A quick, simple go-to 10 minutes out the door, very fast makeup. And let's set it. So I got matte finish from NYX. Can you see? Super quick and glowy.